Traders, I'm looking at Polkadot. It's going to go to a daily time frame, and this is, in my opinion, in a bearish trend on the higher time frame. We can see that higher highs, lower lows. We want to be a little bit careful at the current level. So if we go to a 4-hour, I'm looking at this in so far as, right, we have lower highs, lower lows on the higher time frame, but more importantly, this price swing here from this high to the low. Let's grab that drawing. All right, this is the previous price range. Now, in a bearish trend, I'm looking for a sell. I want to pull back into 50 to 61.8. So this is now trading at a premium. So in a bearish scenario, that would be an ideal entry point for me, only if certain conditions are met. Have a look at this range. Right, this is currently range bound. So what I would like to see with this would be possibly a bit of a fake out, run on stops above, and then we get displacement to the downside, something like that. That's a bearish scenario. I mean, look, this could push north. It could be bullish. It might be holding here. Is that a bullish flag? Some would argue that that's a bull flag, possibly. Okay. There's your flagpole. There's your flag. Right, a bull flag. And off we go to the moon. That's a possibility. But I'm looking at this from the point of view of this range, higher time frame bearish, and the pullback into a premium. Now, if you're going to be buying, have a look at this range here. All right. The midpoint is equilibrium, so you are buying at a premium. So you want to be careful. Buying at a premium, as in the fib retrace. You can even pull it from there to there if you're looking to buy. See, we're above this 50% of the previous range. So for me, look, if I'm going to get long, I would need to see price break above. Let me just grab that. I would have to see, let's grab a pencil. Bear with me for a second. I would need to see price break above, and we get a break of market structure. Then I would probably get long. But I think, I'm leaning more towards this actually rolls over and we get a bit of a pullback. So I'm looking for, same thing, this is range bound, and it's building liquidity above and below. So you want to be careful anytime you see a balance area. I want to see the volatility and I want to see it break out, and then a break of market structure here could be an opportunity to get short. So I'm just waiting for this range break, north or south, before I do anything. But that's kind of what I'm looking at, guys. This breakout to the downside is a sell opportunity. The break to the upside is a buy opportunity. Just watch this range. Yeah, look, I'd really love it if you commented. Definitely share your thoughts below. That would be awesome. With that, hope you have a fabulous day, and see you in the next one. Let's get rid of that. Okay.